All the times I've been down here, this is the first time I've ever seen it foggy. Susquehanna River is different every time I come. They got people out for you to go here and kayak if you're brave. I'm not. There might be people coming now. Oh my goodness, I almost fell. Oh, they got the dock out. Oh, let's walk down there. Look at all this. It's a little bit intimidating. Their babies are adolescents now. See, they're fuzzy. Those used to be babies. Oh, watch the poop. Look at all the poop. Oh. Dodging the poops. Oh, it's a minefield. I really want to walk down there. I should have took the road. Oh, the nuts.